Hi, this is how to do negative exponents, which is a commonly missed quiz question on our last quiz. So let's say I have x to the minus 2. This negative does not mean the same as negative x to the positive 2. What it does mean is 1 over x squared. So in general, if you have x to some negative power, it's 1 over x to the positive power. But what if your negative exponent is already in the denominator? Well, it turns out to put it in the denominator of the denominator is really to move it up to the numerator. So this becomes x to the positive a. Basically, the negative tells you to switch places. If x to the negative 2 is in the numerator, it becomes x to the positive 2 in the denominator. And if it's 1 over x to the minus 2 in the denominator, it becomes x to the positive 2 in the numerator, which you can always think about as x squared over 1 to remind yourself it's in the numerator. So let's look at an example with delta math. So let's say we had x to the minus 7, y to the 4th, over x to the 7th, y to the 4th. Okay, we just moved it down here. Okay, so what is this going to simplify to? Well, also remember that if I have x's on the top and the bottom, they can be combined. So with our rule that if it's a negative exponent, it goes to the bottom, I'm going to move this one down. So this becomes x to the positive 7 times what I already have, x to the positive 7, y to the 4th. Y to the 4th gets to stay where it is. There are no more negative exponents, so now we can just cancel and combine. Y to the 4th and y to the 4th can cancel, leaving 1. And x to the 7th times x to the 7th is x to the 14th. So our answer would be 1 over x to the 14th. Let's do another one with some negative exponents. Good. Let's simplify this guy. Okay, I'm moving him over here. So let's simplify him. X to the 8th can stay where it is. X to the minus 3 becomes x to the positive 3 on top. And so does x to the negative 6 go up on top, leaving behind not 0, but 1. Now we just combine the exponents by adding. 8 and 3 is 11 plus 6 is 17. And that is our final answer, x to the 17th. Okay, hope that was helpful. Good luck on your problems.